Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a Money Matters lesson called Checkout Challenge, and it's getting students to learn how to subtract from a given amount. Or another way to think about it is that you have a set amount of money and you're trying to get the most items from that amount. So the information in the pouch has the information for the adult on the front, which is going to give you the objectives, supplies, kind of a time limit, teaching tips, and guided questions. On the back will be the step-by-step directions for the student to play. They'll have a deck of cards. They're going to remove the 10s, 11s, and 12s out of our decks. If they have a regular deck of cards, they're going to remove the face cards and the 10. So in our deck of cards, we also have a 0, so they can make basically any number from that amount. To start this game, you're going to have one player who is going to set the budget. So let's say everybody's starting with a budget of $20. So each player is going to write $20 on this budget. And that's where they have to stay within $20. They can't go over that amount because that's all they have to spend. So to figure out the cost of things, all they're going to do is there's going to be a dealer, and they're going to deal out 3 cards face up, or the child can take from the deck 3 cards face up. In this case, this amount is going to be represented by a dollar amount. So it's going to be $8.81. So that's what they're going to write down. Now the child can say, I'm going to keep playing. And so his next turn, he's going to continue. If he thinks that's as much as he's going to want to spend out of his $20, he can stop there. He or she can stop there. But the object of the game is trying to get the most items that they can get for that $20. So I have $8.81. You could have written it down on item 1. I don't know why I started at 6, but you could write it down on item 1. So then the next player goes, they're going to draw out 3 cards. In this case, I'm going to put these ones up right here. They drew out 3 cards. They're going to write those numbers down in the order that they drew them. And that's going to be $3.98. And once again, I'm not sure why I'm starting at the top as opposed to the bottom. But so they can say, I'm going to keep going as well, because $3.98 isn't close to 20. So let's go back to this first player, and they're going to draw out 3 more cards. For whatever reason, my cards can't. I'm going to stack these over to the side here. And they're going to draw out a 6, a 4, and a 1. Sorry, I can't get them to show right. So now they're going to add a 6, a 4, and a 1. And I want them to estimate. I don't want them to actually do the mathematics yet. I want them to estimate if they have spent all the money that they want to spend and stop there to not go over that $20, or if they want to continue on. So they can say, if they think in their head, well, this gets me pretty close, but maybe I can still get another item in there and continue on. So this guy's going to continue on. This next player is going to draw out their 3 cards. Move these ones over. And they've got 9, 7, and a 0. So that's going to be written as $9.70. So once again, they're going to think about, are they close to $20 or can they continue on? In this case, they're going to have around $13. So maybe they're going to continue on. I'd take a chance. So the next player goes, they've got 1. Let's move all my cards over. They've got a 1, a 0, and a 4. So they're going to write down $1.04. So they're going to say, I'm going to stop here. That's as many items I can get. They're going to total that up. So that's $4, 5, $6, 12, carry the 1, and then $16. So they have spent $16.26. Now, if this other player keeps going, I've run out of cards. So let me just say they grabbed a 9, a 1, and a 4. They're going to write $9 And they might have already realized that they have gone over the $20 because 9 plus 9 is going to give them 18. So they're already at 18. And then they add in this amount plus this amount. It's going to get them over. So they overspent. So they lost that round and this player won that round. So if you get an idea, they're trying to get the most amount. They can pick any dollar amount they want to work towards. Let's say they can pick 50, they can pick 30, they can pick like $35.25 if they want to. So it's whatever dollar amount they have as their budget, and they're going to draw cards to figure out how much they're spending. So it's a great way to get them to estimate and to add up decimal amounts. So enjoy.